Hello friends, good morning. I am Sanjay Kumar Verma and you are watching my YouTube channel Cloud Arena. So today we are going to discuss about of some interesting thing which is AWS S3. S3 means simple storage service, which is important part in the Amazon Web Services, right? So we have a very clear understanding about of Amazon S3 service. In this type of storage, we have website which is built in Node.js or something like that. You don't need to buy a server, you just copy those web files which is Node.js or HTML file in S3 and your website is live. So you can save lot of money. You don't need a purchase of any server or compute resource. So we call as S3 object storage. So right now I'm going to log in from my Amazon dashboard. You can see I'm supplying the username of password of my I'm supplying the password. I have logged in at my dashboard. This is my Amazon dashboard and here you can see these are services of Amazon. So right now we will discuss about of this server which is S3 simple storage service. Then click. Let's see how to configure of S3. So when we talk about of S3, this is a object based storage service in AWS. It's a scalable on cloud and it's probably the biggest cloud storage available, which is offers you 99.11 times 9% durability. And one more thing, this is not a file based service, this is a region based service. I will show you in this lab. The feature of S3 is that so durability, flexibility and scalability, and you can grow any size. There are no pre-provisioning. Now this is the important thing in object storage. What is mean of no provisioning? It means the capacity of stored data is not defined. You can store any amount of data. If you have 1 MB data, then you can store. Then if you have 10 TB data, then you can store. You can easily explore of this service. So let's see how to configure of S3 service. Then when you want to configure S3 service, then first of all you will create a bucket and then you will assign the name of bucket. Name should be unique in every region because S3 use of flat file system. Got it? I am assigning a name of this Sanjay Cloud Arena and my region is Asia Pacific. You can choose any region which you want, but I am using of Asia Pacific region. So then click on next. In this case, skip of these things we will discuss later. Then click on next. And one more thing, if you want to publish your bucket globally, then uncheck of this and I acknowledge the current settings. Yes, my bucket should be global, which can anyone can access. Then next, and you can review of your bucket. My bucket name is Sanjay Cloud Arena. My region is Asia Pacific. Then click on create bucket. You can see my bucket has created. which name is Cloud Arena. Then I will store my object. It means object means my data. Then click on your bucket and then you will click on upload, and if you want to create a folder then you can do, but right now I am uploading my object directly. Then click on add files, and for example I am publishing this image. Then click open and then click on next. You can see these are the permission of owner of this. Then click on next, and this is the most important thing. This is the storage class. So by default S3 support of standard storage class, they understand you want to frequently access of your data. So click next and click on upload. You can see my object has uploaded. Then now see one more thing, when I will select of this object, then you can see this is the path of this object when I want to access globally. So first of all I will copy of this link, then I will paste this link or address in my browser. Then it will access or not 100%, it will not be accessed because right now I did not assign the permission. So then now I will assign the permission for this. You can see, click on permissions and please select of everyone. This is simple Linux permission, read, write and execute. You can see read object, there is no one, blank, select read object and then save these settings, and you can see right now you are able to access because read object is yes. And then I will refresh of this link, then you can see I am able to access of my data. So friends, it's a small lab. And one more thing you should be remember, S3 bucket is free but object is able to charge. If you will not remove your object or your data, then Amazon will charge for this. So after the practice always remove your object. So enjoy of this, stay safe, stay home, good day, bye bye.